Hello guys, in my previous session we have seen ChatGPT setup, right? So in this we are going to learn ChatGPT interface. Okay, I will show you how the ChatGPT interface. See here, this is the ChatGPT and it is explaining about the. So I already done setup right in my previous session. You can watch my previous session. So now we are in this screen. So this is the ChatGPT UI. You can say interface. I can say user interface, so you can find some information. So uh, like uh, some prompts I can say. So if you are using for the first time, you can see prompts here. So prompt engineering, we call it as how you are going to do, how you are going to use some commands or type text or a sentence formation and all. So I already did set up, right? I have used by typing something in my previous session, so I'm not able to see. So here one more thing is, this is the input box where you can search your search the necessary thing. So suppose I'm searching how to write uh, automation script. Automation script first. Click on link button. See, it is giving click on link button. So this is the prompt engineering. I can say this is the whatever you are providing in this text box, right? Prompt messages you should provide. So it has given this much to click on the link. So click on link button. So it gave in the Python and the Selenium, right? So I will ask in Playwright. I will ask in the Playwright. See, it is giving in the Playwright. See the new context. So wait for selector. This is the text. Click here the link. So clicking on the link. Okay, link button. Okay, click here link button. So this is how you are going to search. And suppose if you want to use new chart, no, click on this. It will provide the new chart. This is the new chart symbol. Okay, and if you click here, so you can see the upgrade your plans, free plan or plus plan or team plan. So if you want again search with the new query, okay, then you can ask create uh, requirement visibility matrix. See, this is how it is creating the requirement traceable matrix. Thank you guys. So this is the stop button. You can stop here if you want. It's enough means you can stop here. So it ended here.